Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best mini electric screwdriver you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many mini electric screwdriver and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each mini electric screwdriver so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a mini electric screwdriver. First, think about power and torque, because a stronger motor helps handle different materials and screw sizes easily. Next, look at battery life and charging time, since a long-lasting battery ensures uninterrupted work and faster charging means more convenience. Another important factor is design and ergonomics, as a lightweight, comfortable grip reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Also, check for adjustable speed settings and direction controls for better precision and control. Lastly, consider the included accessories like bits and magnetic holders, which add value and versatility to your tool. Choosing a reliable brand with good customer reviews also increases confidence in durability and performance. Paying attention to these factors ensures you get the best value for your money. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.